Today's lab is going to involve the periodic table and one group of elements, and we're going to measure the reactivity of that group of elements. Specifically, it's going to be group 2A, and we're going to take each of those elements in group 2A and mix them with some other chemicals to see how they react. And then your job is going to determine which elements are more reactive and see if that has anything to do with their location on the periodic table. Here's how we do it. First thing you're going to need is a spot tray. It's got 3 by 5 spots to drop some of the chemicals. And what we're going to do is going to put one type of chemical across here, across here, across here, across here, and then also put a different type going down each of these columns. So you don't get lost as to what you're doing. You're going to make a good piece of paper and label, and label them so that you can see what you're putting into each one. And then we can be in the lab. Here's how it goes.
So lay out your spot tray and your piece of paper that's labeled with the chemicals. You get that from your Google's doc. And then take the chemicals as they get passed around the room. Here's the orange ones. They're going to go along this side. The blue ones will go along the top here. So in my hands, I'm holding the sulfate. The sulfate goes here. So I'm going to put 3 drops into each cell. I don't need to go down to 4. 3 drops here, and I'll pass this to the next group. When I get something else, let's say I get, this is the strontium, that goes across here, I'll put 3 drops here, 3 drops here, 3 drops here, and pass that on to the next group as well. And as you go around, you get to where you're going to be adding drops, mixing drops, you will see reactions and look for what goes on inside the spot tray. If it helps, you can hold it against a black surface or hold it up to the light to see what happens. You're going to see different reactions in each one. And the idea then is to see how they rate compared to other chemicals. Have fun.